Hi, Forsey. I bet you thought you wouldn't see me again for a little while. Anyway, this week I'm going to really challenge you. I'm going to ask you to have a go at trying to solve some sudoku problems, some sudoku puzzles, in fact. Now, I've only started doing this about 6 months ago, and they are really difficult to try. So I thought I'd show you how to do the ones that I set you to do this week, if you get time. You don't have to, but if you fancy a challenge, have a go. Okay, here you go. Right. Now, hang on, let me get my pen. Right. Now, you will see a sock. I think my dog has just brought that in from somewhere. Okay, here we go. Now, on the ones that you will have, I will send to you, you will see that there will be a grid, and on the grid you have got to put the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 in a line. So on this line you've already got 1 and 2, and you've got to put 3 and 4 somewhere. However, you cannot put 3, if I find 3 here, there, because you cannot have the same number in the same row or the same column. So I'm going to go through this one with you, and then we'll do another one as well. Okay, so we've got to put numbers into the missing boxes. Right, so I'm going to look at the number 2, I think, because we've got 2 2s. We've got 1 2 there and 1 2 there, so that really helps. Right, so we've got to now put a 2 into this row and this row. Okay, now we don't need to put a 2 there or there because it's there. So I've got to put a 2 here or here. Now, because there is a 2 there, you're not going to put it there. There's a 2 here, so come down. I'm not going to put it there or there. Right, so if I look along the bottom row, I've got to put a 2. So I can't put it there because there's a 2 already up in that column. I can put it there because there's no 2 in that column. Go to the last one. Oh, I can't put it there either because there's a 2 at the top. So I know I have to put a 2 there. Okay. Now, I now need a 2 in this last column. So if I have a look, I've got a 2 in this column. I've got a 2 in that column and that column. So I do need 1 here. Right, so let's go along the lines. I've got rows. I've got a 2 in that row, so I can't put 1 there. No. I go to the second row. Oh, I've got a 2 there, so I can't put 1 there. And if I go to the bottom one, I can't put 1 there because there's already a number. So the 2 must go there. So there we've got all the 2s here. Right, now if I look carefully, is there anywhere that I could put another number, because there could only be 1 number in that row? If I look at this row, I've got 4, 1 and 2. So that missing one must be, I hear you shout at me, 3. Yeah. And doing the same thing, if I look in this column, I've got 1, 2 and 3. So in the missing one, Ben, what is it? Well done, it is 4. There. Okay, so now we need to find all the other missing ones. So let's have a look at the number 1. So we've got 1 in that row. And we've got 1 in this row. Right, so we need a 1 to go here. It can either go there or there. Oh, so we don't know yet. So we could leave that for a moment and just see. Let's go to the bottom. We need a 1 in here. Now if I go along, there's a 3 here. Can I put a 1 there? And I hope you all shout out, "No, you can't!"